Good day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Maria Andrea Balmiciano, 34, married, and I have two sons, 11 and 9. I'm currently in Philippines, and I am a college graduate of Bachelor Information Technology, major in Computerized Office Management from Novaliches, Quezon City. I have a work experience as a helper 2016 to 2019 with one employer in my country, 2 adult, 2 child, ages 7, and the newborn baby. My main duties and responsibilities, of course, I will make sure of the safety of the child. The newborn baby, after he drinks milk from the bottle, the most important thing to do for the baby is to burp, changing her diaper. I check her front to see if they are wet. I always look at her back to see if it's wetty. Help her to feed, prepare her clothes, help her to take a bath, teach her proper hygiene. I brought and pick up her from school, and also help her with the homework and activities. And of course, there's such a basic as a household, ironing, wash your clothes, gardening, marketing, and cooking. I'm a hardworking, fast learner, lovable, and trustworthy. Mom and sir, if you choose me to part on your family, I will make sure of the safety of your child. I will love them and treat them as on my own. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.